Thanks for tuning in, everyone, to your latest day weather video weather update for this Monday, December 28th. The message this week for Wyoming is cold and plenty of it. Recent snowfall events have built up quite a snowpack across the state. That, combined with clear, calmer nights, the shortest days of the year and the longest nights, all adds up to a very cold weather pattern. Let's take a look at the satellite imaging and we can see what's going on. Right now, the jet stream is showing some curvature, especially like this, and this is really resulting in a lot of cold air having easy access from Canada. The storm system that caused all the snow and the tornadoes in Texas is right here. This is headed towards the Great Lakes, where rain, snow, and ice and wintry weather will be developing, especially in this area here over the next couple of days. But that will be moving on out. But the door to Canada is open with the jet stream all the way down here, and so that's going to make Wyoming very cold, especially with our snow cover. The next storm system that's going to be coming in Tuesday and Wednesday is right here. It looks fairly impressive on satellite imagery, but there's very little moisture with it. Here's our forecast jet stream chart for Thursday and late Wednesday afternoon. As you can see, we have high pressure along the west coast, and when that happens, you are always going to have cold air getting driven south out of Canada. High pressure along the west coast means cold weather in the Rockies. Still very warm in the east and southeast, although this trough is going to be heading eastbound, affecting the other portions of the United States with colder weather at the end of the week. But even though we've got all of this cold air, one thing that's different is we're getting cut off, at least at the moment, from any really good supply of Pacific moisture. That's going to keep any snow threat low, and what snow we do get, light. Here's the precipitation forecast through the next 3 days. You can see that over western Wyoming's mountains, over the Bighorns, the northeastern areas of Wyoming, and the Snowies and Sierra Madres, we do see a little bit of snowfall over the next couple of days, mainly Tuesday, Wednesday, into early Thursday. There will also be some flurries across the low elevations of Wyoming. So despite the fact that the lower elevations not showing any green, we could see a little bit of light snow. Just don't expect much. Travel problem areas coming up. Our biggest concerns will be night and morning fog. Since we're only expecting a few flurries, do watch out for fog. When we have Arctic air like this and snow cover, you tend to get fog forming in the Laramie Valley, out on the eastern plains of the state, up in the northeast areas of the state around Gillette. We also, in the Bighorn Basin and around the Wind River Basin, Lander areas, also the upper Green River Basin here, and along the Flaming Gorge area into Sweetwater County, the low-lying spots all will have areas of night and morning fog. Watch out for that. So here are our weather highlights. Very cold temperatures, single digits to below zero over most of the state for the next 3 to 4 nights. Daytime highs only teens and 20s. Watch for that night and morning fog. Some light snow flurries will develop across the state late Tuesday, Wednesday, and early Thursday. We're talking about a dusting of snow here and there across the low elevations through New Year's Eve.